Welcome to another session in this Excel series. In this session, we are going to be looking at the AND function and also the OR function. How do they work? Let us see with examples. In this column, we want to know if a student is a male and if they have paid more than 15,000. So if they are male and they have paid more than 15,000, so we are going to be using the AND function. So we say AND, so let's use capital and then it says logical one, so which is male. So we say that okay, what is in D2 must be equals to male. So we say D2 equals to, so male. You can type it, but I will use this referencing here. But this must be an absolute referencing. So I will just press F4. If I press F4, it will put dollar sign in both sides, but I will put it by myself. So we put a dollar sign and then a dollar sign. So D2 equals this. So as long as anything in this column is what is here, then that is the first condition. The second condition is that B2 here must be more than 15,000. So we say B2 greater than 15,000. So we can go on with multiple conditions like this. But what we should know about the AND function is that the AND function will only be true when all the conditions inside it are true. So for example, for this row for adding here, the amount is 20,000, which is greater than 15,000. So that condition is true. Also, the gender here is male. So which means that that condition too is true because we want D2 or anything in this column to be equals to a male gender. So if I press enter now, this place will be true because both conditions are true. Good. So you can see now it is true. So let's check for other conditions. So you can see now that this is true because it's a male and it's also above 15,000. So from here up, it is only this thalassemy that is above 15,000 and is a female. And that is why everything here is a false. Because for us to have a true, all the conditions specified must be true. Now, let's look at another instance, which is male or greater than 15,000. So let's say this will be female. So female, or let's use male. So male or greater than 15,000. So what you are saying is that we want to know if any of these conditions are true, or if any of them is true, rather. So if the first condition is true and the second condition is wrong, we will still have true, and we will only have false if both conditions are not true. So let's get at it. Equals to, or, so the first logic is that D2 D2 must be equals to, so male. So we want to make it absolute referencing, and then second is that B2 must be greater than 15,000. So now at this point we are going to have true. Why? Because both conditions are true. So as long as one of the conditions is true, believe me, we are going to have true. But when both conditions are not true, then we are going to have false. So we press enter, then we have true as expected, and then you can go. So we have false here. Why? Let's check. This is female, so it's not true because we are looking for male. And then this is 13,000, which is also lower than 15,000, is also false. So that is how the or and the and functions work in Microsoft Excel. So we use the and function to check if all the conditions are true, and we use the or function to check if any one of them is true. So if you put 20 conditions together, and will only be true when all of them are true. And if you put 20 together for all function, as long as one of those 20 is true, all will bring us true output. Thank you very much until we meet in the next one.